Okay, class, that was the bell. I will see you next week for your group presentation. Find something your group have in common and tell the class about it. On Monday. Cookies. What? We all like cookies, right? Actually, I don't really like cookies. I'm more of a brownie guy. Blasphemy. Brownies look like poop blocks. That way, like Floyd, you like eating poop blocks? Exactly. What do you think, Bird? He left early again. Wait, is he in our group? Let's catch him. Did he get on the bus? No, look. Where is he going? He been doing this for a week now. I wonder where he goes. You think what I'm thinking? Yeah, but instead of kidnapping his parents for answers, how about we just follow him? What, Doopy? Come on. Shh, shh. He's over there. He's going inside that building. Hey, Jim? He might be getting his workout on. What? He could be. This gym might be connected to a Burger King. Wow, Doopy, really? I'm just saying. Help. Please help me. Please. Look over there. He going inside that room. What is this? Who's ready for the show that ends all shows? Wait a minute. Well, calm down, everyone. Guess who it is?
Oh no, who is not him?
The kid that comes in here every day to wrestle with the big boys. But we can't wrestle because we might catch a case and have blackmailed us to let him come with threats of calling the cops. Because this is illegal. It's Bird Boy. Get him out of here. Here you go, kid. Wrestle with this. But I want a real opponent. Is there anyone here that want to wrestle the kid?
Hey man, I don't want to catch no case, so I can't do it.
See, kid, it's too risky. Oh, okay. I want in. Huh? What is this? We have a challenger. A challenger have arrived. Doopy? No, not Doopy. I'm the Doopster. And I'm here to defeat you and win the belt. There is no belt. We will make one and give it to me. Let me see what you got, Doopster. Say no more. Bring it on! And that's what we have in common. We are all professional underground wrestlers. Yeah. Hey, those aren't real belts, but these are real hands. Yeah.